viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Tofik Aman Channa, and you are watching my vlog. So, I have gotten this idea of making this vlog in English language by Sir Akhtar Ahmad, which is the who is the director of Harvard Linguistic Academy. Right now, I'm studying there. So, yesterday was my first day there, and today is my second day. Today will be my second day, right? And I have gotten the work of making a vlog in English language. So here I am in this vlog. I cannot say this. Saraktia gave me this idea. I can say that Saraktia gave me the opportunity to make the vlog in English language, because speaking in video in English language is very essential for me to build up my confidence, to build up my English speaking, and to build up so many things. I cannot express that these things here in this vlog. So I think somebody is knocking the door. I don't know who is. I think she's my cousin. She's my little cousin, right? Whose birthday is today. So it's her birthday is almost, I think, 6 o'clock at evening. Center's timing is also 5 to 6. So after returning from my center, I will join her birthday, inshallah. She is little. I think it's second birthday, right? Okay, so I'm ready to go to uh, library. Every morning I go to library. So this morning I am also ready for going to library. So viewers, here I am on my bike. As you can see, my bike. So basically this is not my bike, this is my brother's bike, right? My bike is an other brother, right, who is right now attempting the paper in Latif University of LLB, right? So inshallah I will show you my own bike tomorrow in my next vlog. That bike is very nearest to my heart, very nearest to my heart. Inshallah I will show you, and then you can understand, you will understand that how can I say that that bike is very nearest to my heart. Inshallah you will understand that. So right now I am going to the library for studying. After that I will go to my center, Harvard Linguistic Academy. So be with me, inshallah we will meet at library. So viewers, I have reached at Suchel Library. Let me show you the beauty of Suchel Library. So just wait, I'm going to show you the gate of Suchel Library from the outside. Right now I'm inside, I'm going outside again for showing you the gate of the Suchel Library. Here you go. This is the Suchel Library. Let me go inside. So as you are seeing, as you are watching that the two cars are standing there. So this is the park of the Suchel Library, where we can discuss ourselves with our friends about their studies or anything else. So this is the park. As you can see that the two couples, we can say that because there are two peoples. Let's go to the classes, to the halls of Suchel Library. So this person is the I think watchman, what we can say, I don't know, just leave this. Okay, let's go inside. So this is the Suchel Library. This is the Suchel. So this is the Lincoln corner. I think it's open. Let's see. We cannot talk inside this corner, right? The full environment is silent inside. So these are the students which are studying. Okay, these are the students studying. Okay. Oh my dear, this is my friend. He's my friend, as you can see them. Let's meet to my friend. How are you?
Are you fine?
Are you fine?
Yes.
Why did you not come on the center to the center, Harvard Linguistic Academy?
I had some work.
You had some work. Okay, okay. Okay, let's go upstairs. Will you go with me?
No.
Why? Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. So, viewers, here I am with my friend Jamil Ahmed, right? So, we are going to pay the fees of my little brother. Here is a voucher in my hand. So, we will pay the fees of my little brother at the HBL bank, and after that, we will go to repair the mobile of Mr. Jamil. So, do you want to say something, Jamil?
Yes, of course. I want to say something about you. There, here, Mr. Tofik Ahmed Khanna is always he's very lucky boy.
Oh.
We always play together, and we always play joke and enjoy.
Yeah.
This is very naughty boy. Again, I say this is very naughty boy.
When I saw him at library, he was eating meal.
Yes, of course.
He did not offer me that please come and eat with me. So
Unfortunately, he came in. I finished it. So how can I offer him? That's right. No.
little piece of meal was in your hand, man.
So I offered him. I offered you, but you didn't accept it.
Yeah,
It's not my mistake. Yeah.
I had already eaten at my home, so that's
Okay,
why I told
but,
you that.
But what I offered you, no? I offered you.
Okay, sorry. Let me return my words, okay? So, inshallah, we will meet at the HBL Bank. So, keep watching this video.
Thank you.
So, viewers, as you can see that we have reached at the HBL Bank. So, now we will go inside to pay the fees. So, be with us. We will meet again. Viewers, the fees of my little brother has been paid at the bank, and now where we are going, Jamil?
We are going to the mobile market
For what?
repairing my mobile.
Repairing your mobile.
Yes, of course.
What happened to your mobile?
Suddenly I slipped and my mobile slipped down.
Oh.
It got fractured. Now
Oh.
we are going to repair it.
Okay, we will change the panel of the mobile.
Of course.
Right.
Because it is not working well.
Yeah. So keep watching. We will meet there, inshallah. So we have reached at a mobile shop. As you can see that Jamil is asking some information about the repairing the mobile. So I wanna also go inside. So here's Jamil. Now we are returning to the library because the mobile has been given for repairing. Okay, so Jamil, tell me what the shopkeeper said.
First of all, he showed us three types of the mobile panel. One of the cost of the I think 2,500 rupees, and another of 3,000 rupees,
Okay.
and third one is of 3,500 rupees.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
I ordered him to set the mobile and fit him the panel of 3,500 rupees.
okay. So when will he return the mobile?
He said that almost after 3 or 4 o'clock, he
Okay.
will set the mobile and we can get also.
Means at the evening.
Yes, of course.
Will you come alone?
No, with you. I will offer you.
Okay,
Depends upon you
okay.
at
So,
that
but I will go to the Harvard Linguistic Academy. So, how can I will go? I will come here with you again.
Okay, then
Okay.
it doesn't matter. I will come alone and get my mobile.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, viewers. We had bought these oranges from the shop of the oranges, and right now we are here to eat these.
Very
Okay?
fresh.
Very fresh. These narangis are
Oranges.
oranges. Sorry. In Sindhi we say they are narangis.
In Sindhi it means narangi.
Narangis,
In English
okay.
we call it oranges.
Oranges. So we are eating these.
Here we are to eat.
I'm offering to you.
We offer you.
Will you eat?
Please, could you join us to and become our partner? Yeah, so here we are. I am
Okay.
with, together, and he also offered me offered me his company because he shared that he is making vlogging for the Harvard Linguistic Academy, and I am also thankful for the Harvard Linguistic Academy because they offered me very beautiful and very bold opportunity. That's why I appeared in the interview. So I qualified, but due to some difficulties and problems, I could not join the program. And he also tried, and he is engaging and also doing work for these vlogging for that program. So
Okay, so
he is also just trying to brush up his skills to develop in the knowledge English speaking. That is the reason he has started vlogging and making it fun. So we are very thankful to you, especially Sir Akhtar Ali and Sir Abu Bakar.
Sarakhtar Ahmed Betlo.
Okay, Sir Akhtar Ahmed Metro and Sir Abu Bakar, and then Mr. Saran, and all team members and staff of the Harvard Linguistic Academy. We are very obligated to you, thankful to you, and we are humble request you to please stay further for the best opportunities and provide such states for the needy and needy students to push up their skills. It is the concluding of the vlogging. So here we are, and it is our final step for to conclude this vlogging. And we
Yeah.
are eating this very fresh
Yeah.
and beautiful oranges. And we offer you to eat. Please, could you join us? Oh, we know you cannot because you don't know where we are now. At this time. Okay.
Oh, we are at the library, Suchel Library. Okay.
Suchel Sarmast Library.
Suchel Sarmas. So I wanna conclude this vlog by just having by just requesting you with a humility that please, if you enjoyed this vlog, then please like the video and subscribe the channel and just share the video. And as you know that. I am a student at Harvard Linguistic Academy, so I am making this vlog for that because sir gave me this work, this task of making the vlog, and I'm a student, so that's why my English is not so well. But inshallah, in coming vlogs, you will see that my English will be improved, inshallah. And if you feel that I had made mistake anywhere, that please just comment in the comment box, and inshallah I will just improve that mistake, overcome these mistakes, and make that mistakes right. So if you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, share, and subscribe.